Welcome to my channel, Amazing Fruit Names You Should Know. Hey there, fruit lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the most exciting and interesting things in the world of food. In today's video, we're talking about something juicy and sweet, fruits. Glowing star, did you know there are thousands of fruits across the globe, many of which you might not have even heard of? Well, stick around, because today I'm going to share with you 50 amazing fruit names that everyone should know. Ready? Fruit 31, Guava. Guavas have a sweet, tropical flavor and can be eaten fresh or turned into juice or jams. Fruit 32, Pomegranate. Pomegranates are full of juicy, red seeds that burst with a tangy sweet flavor. Fruit 33, Tamarind. Tamarind is both sweet and sour, often used in sauces, candies, and beverages. Fruit 34, Longan. Often called dragon's eye, longans are similar to lychees with a sweet, juicy flavor. Fruit 35, Loquat. Loquats have a sweet tart flavor, somewhat like a mix between apricot and citrus. Fruit 36, Persimmon. These orange fruits are sweet when fully ripe, with a texture similar to an apricot. Fruit 37, Jabuticaba. A Brazilian fruit that grows directly on the trunk of the tree, Jabuticaba has a grape-like flavor. Fruit 38, Ackee. A key ingredient in Jamaica's national dish, ackee is buttery and savory when cooked. Fruit 39, Chayote. Technically a squash, chayote is often used in savory dishes, but can be eaten raw. Fruit 40, Buddha's hand. This citrus fruit looks like fingers, and while it has no pulp, it's great for zesting and infusing flavor into dishes. There you have it. 50 amazing fruit names from all around the world. Have you tried any of these, or maybe even all of them? Let me know in the comments. Which one is your favorite? Or which one would you like to try next? Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.